holding it down. Both y'all gotta move. Sorry. Woo. Sorry guys. I apologize.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
As you can see, Tej is here with us. Today, as you can see, we're at the open public go-kart track. And this is gonna be Grassroots driver versus open go-kart night. If you don't know, I race cars. My motorsport of choice is drifting, but I spent time on a track, so
y'all should check him out at CSCS this year.
yes, a couple drift events throughout the year that I'll be at, or if you just want to see some of the driving, my Instagram is in the description. But what I was saying was we're gonna see how it translates to go-karts, and I don't know how any of these guys here drive or who any of them are, but we're gonna see what we can do today, what kind of lap times we can both put down. And
you look so slow.
yeah.
Like, why does the Cambridge?
Well, it's the first lap, so the carts aren't juiced up yet.
That's fine.
Right, check this car out. This thing's pretty sweet. I don't even know what it is, but it's got like orange. I don't think it is a McLaren. But you know, I don't really watch too much F1, I'm not gonna lie. Sorry?
I like the wheel.
Yeah, the steering wheel's pretty sweet.
Do you think my hands would be sweaty in that?
Yeah, but it would suck the moisture out. Obviously, it's got the slicks on there. Oh, it's pretty sweet. Oh, this is an Indy 300 car. So.
Is that real carbon fiber?
That's probably real carbon fiber, yes. Probably.
Even the wing down there too?
The winglets? Yeah.
Can I get Xavier and Talia? Once again, Xavier and Talia.
That's us. Alright, we're gonna get into the cart. Sorry?
Is that just us?
It might be just the two of us, which means you can follow my line.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
What the fuck? Oh my god, guys. Time to eat Xavier.
I'm praying this camera angle is good.
Xavier 27 and Talia 2.
They put you at the back.
What?
Did you say 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so the last race is over officially. The camera angle that I'm working with is kind of ass, so I apologize for that in advance. They've got me in the lead carts, which means I won't get any action on the camera, but thank you. But yeah, we'll still try and throw down a good lap and see what we can do. I'm gonna try and shoot for the fastest lap of the day. I just saw what it was, and I think it was a 21.8 was the fastest lap of the day. And we're here in the last half hour of the day, so if I set that, then I would say we're probably gonna hold it for the rest of the day. Fastest of the week was a 21.0 something. Damn, I wish I was at the back. Oh, I wish I was at the back. I would have been able to get some nice passing content. That's alright. Fastest lap of that last race was a 23.5? I suck. It's a low 23. Because second place is a 24. I just enjoy racing go-karts.
Alright guys, budges.
Let's see what we can do, guys. Fastest lap of the day, that's the goal. Fastest lap of the day, that's the goal. That's the goal. So these karts, I've been in them once or twice before. Every kart feels a little bit different from my experience. Some are not aligned well. Some definitely grip better than others. But they're not slow. They're not slow. They're obviously not as fast as gas or shifter karts. There's Tej all the way over there. I know she's nervous, but I'm sure she's excited. Alright. I will see if I can narrate through this while driving. I think that'd be funny. Maybe I'll talk about the track. I should have been doing that on this like sight lap, we'll call it, but I'll talk for my first few laps, and then whenever I need to lock in to set a fast lap, I'll just lock in. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So, as you can see, there we go. It kicks up some levels. Oh, she's a loose one. Oh yeah, she's loose. Oh, there we go. Now she's up to speed. I like how this guy behind me thinks he's gonna catch me, but honestly, buddy, I'm sorry. You don't know who's driving this kart in front of you. I'ma just have a grand old time in the free air. I can be on throttle way sooner there. I let off early. Last lap I touched my brakes there. This lap I didn't. I tried to do a little swing, but I feel like I'm losing time with understeer. Even here, I'm letting off way too early. I'm on gas. Can go pretty quick. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. On gas, on gas. There we go. I hope the guy behind me is following my line, because I'll teach you a little something, you know? And I'm not saying I'm that fast or that I have the best line, because I definitely don't. But one thing that is true is, I lost my train of thought. Fuck that corner up. See, this section, I gotta find a better way to do that. I gotta find a better way to do that. And this, I know where I'm slow. I know where I'm slow. So we're trying to do something about that this time. That was fast. That felt good. See, I'm trying to get the kart woken up early. Like, oh, understeering like a bitch. I'm at the top of the leaderboard though. Can't be surprised. But I don't want my head to get too big, so let's just hold it down for these last few laps. As you can see, I'm coming up on some traffic. Let's get this traffic. All right, buddy. Number 8, I'm sorry. Nothing personal. You're just in the way. That's all. Number 10, I see you up there. Once again, it's nothing personal. I'm just trying to go fast. Oh, my bad, bro. You're number 16. Like I said, you're number 18. I can't read. And number 2. Y'all, once again, oh, 2 is Teague. And this guy's struggling to pass her. He's holding it down. Both y'all gotta move. Sorry. Woo. Sorry, guys. I apologize. There we go. Oh, that was good. Oh, that was smooth. These karts lose so much momentum when you touch the wall. So, I'm gonna try not to do that, obviously. That'd be ideal, right? That was fast. That was fast. That was slow. Ah, I had to get up gas. Yeah, I fucked that one up. Like I said, I just went fast for the day. And I can't even see, oh yeah, oh, understeered. Okay, that's a way to do it though. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? 22? What the fuck? That's silly shit! 22? Oh my god, dude, that was so slow. What the hell? There we go. I'm not gonna get my lap time today. I could already tell. Oh, this boy's on my ass. Oh shit, sorry dude. Sorry dude. Were you behind me the whole race? Were you behind? Oh, you're good. You're good, man. Oh, man. That was funny. He said, move it, bitch. And then he just said, oh, I thought you were my friend. But that is K1 speed for you guys. When I get the chance to look at the leaderboards, we're gonna see what time I put down. Like I said, I'm out of breath, holy shit. But like I said, I wanted fastest lap of the day. I don't know if that was gonna be enough to do it, but we'll see. My arms are noodles. Who do we got here? Ooh-wee. That guy behind me was fast. And I'm slow in this back section, I could tell, because that's where he caught up to me, right? So I know where I need to improve, but we'll save it for next time. Whew, all right, let's go see how that was for Tej. How was it? How are you feeling?
I definitely braked, and I feel like I could do the whole course without braking.
You can do the whole course without braking. There's definitely some sections you'll want to let off to let the kart do its thing, but
watch out tomorrow, people.
there was a point in the race where I caught up to the lap. Oh, what did I do? What was my time? See, like I didn't even do 21. Oh, thank you, brother. You take care.
Really bad past 4 days because we had on Tuesday we had drift night.
Yeah.
So like they plastic coated the tires.
Oh, so are they slicker right now?
Yeah, it's very slippery. Like
It
the
doesn't
funny
feel-
thing is today was
Yeah.
since Tuesday.
Yeah.
First time someone hit a 21 today.
Today, the
Like,
21.8
even
I saw on the
even me,
board.
like, I
Yeah.
didn't, like,
Okay.
That day was like, the best time was a 24.9, 24.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah.
And
So
then slowly today is like the day where
they're
like
like the tires are getting back.
this
Yes.
time should low key be like a 21.5.
Honestly, we're only doing the one, but yeah, I was like, I'll try and do the 21 again, see if I can, but.
No, it's not even. Give it like a week, it should be better.
So I just wanted to show off the score sheet real quick before we head out of here. I don't know if you could see the times, but that's me up top with a 22.14. This is the guy who basically bumped into me on the last corner of the last lap. He did a 22.17. He's pretty quick. Our average times are pretty close, and then it looks like after that it's standard. It was a tight field. These guys, best of the week. These guys are all fast. This 21.4, that's basically my PB. But yeah, time to get out of here.
I thought you had to brake and let them go. I didn't know I could just move over. I'm actually so disappointed. I need another race, bro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed when Xavier passed me. So annoying.
That's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the different content, but we'll be back here again. Try and put down that PB because I did not do it today. As you heard, the guy was saying that they did drift night the other night, so the track and the tires are slick. He was saying he does low 21s all the time, and he hasn't been able to do 22 and below this week. So well, it makes me feel better, but honestly, no excuses, because that's just racing. The conditions are the conditions, and you gotta do what you gotta do. So we'll be back soon enough. Make sure you guys like, comment,